So I'm finally in a position to finish drilling the two rear holes for the bumper hitch, the two smaller ones. I don't know what happened to my little tripod contraption. I'm sure it's somewhere in plain sight. I just have no idea where it's at right now. But I just got this a couple hours ago. It's a name brand I've never seen before. I got it at Lowe's, but the 24 volts, and it's somewhat compact, small, easy to handle. Right now I'm just working my way up. On the sizes of the drill bits. See if I skip one size and go. Hopefully I can hold this in place. I gotta admit, this is so much easier than and quicker than the what is this impact driver I've been using. It wasn't necessarily meant for it, but they do make drill bits for it, and that's what I used to make this hole. It took a while. I gotta admit, it took a while. It was a workout. See if I can get this sucker in there. I gotta admit, this drill's working pretty good. I'm down to the last drill bit, which is the right size to get that bolt in there. Just gotta get a couple more centimeters. But yeah, this thing is working way better. And that's the impact driver. But yeah, I'll be right back once I get this sucker all the way drilled. Okay. So got both holes on there. I mean, this one's just a shade bigger, which lets the bolt just slide in there. This one's a little bit snugger, so we have to kind of screw it in just a shade, but it still goes in, so I'm going to leave it at that. I'm good with that. Unfortunately, like I said, I don't have my tripod, so I can't record me physically mounting the bumper hitch. So I can't, do all this with one hand and hold the phone. So I'll be back once I mount the hitch itself. She's bolted on there, nice and tight. Yeah, that sucker is on there. Like I said before, this is bumper hitch. It's pretty strong. It can handle up to 5,000 pounds. So that's plenty strong for me. And then adding that to the capacity of this heavy-duty bumper. But yeah, that's not too bad. That drill, man, that sucker actually worked pretty good. Way better than that impact driver I was using to drill holes. That wasn't actually meant for that, even though you can use it for it. But this, yeah, that was pretty good. It's not bad. Now I can actually tow. Cool.